Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved these brows. I hope you learn one or two things from this, and please hit the subscription button if you haven't done that yet. Mwah. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be using this white powder. I'll just be using this for my brows. So this is going to help your brows. If it's oily, it's going to help it, and it's going to make the eye pencil show. Since I'm not using an eyebrow filler or anything, I'm just using my Davis pencil. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. So I have my Davis pencil here with me. I am actually using Davis pencil in color 3. If you notice, I have 3 sharp pencils with me already because you really want your pencil to be sharp at all times. So I don't want to go back and sharpen, so I just make 3 sharp already. So make sure that your brows are carved already, so it's going to make the work easy for you. Next thing I'm going to be doing is taking one of this pencil, like I said, is sharp already, and I'm just going to follow the normal shape of my eyebrows, and I'm going to be drawing the bottom line. Drawing like few extra lines after my normal brow. Then now I find that the mouth is kind of blunt. I'm going to change this pencil to a different one. Leave a little space like I said, then draw the line, and then curve it, and then try and match the two of them together. The next thing I'm going to do is, still looking at this pencil, it is still sharp. I'm not going to sharpen it. I'm just going to fill these brows with light stroke, and I'm going to be starting with the inner corners. I'm just going to be giving this light stroke like this, just straight up like this. Then come to the outer corners and just fill everything. I like it to be light, more like I like it to be natural, so I'm really not going to fill everything. I'm just going to go in with light strokes like I'm doing right here. Guys, I got this pencil for like, I don't know, 100 or 150 or 200. It's not more than that though. This is like the cheapest pencil you'll see right now in Nigeria though. It's giving me like the effect I want, so I'm going to stick with it for now. I'm just doing the same thing with this side of the brows. Once I'm done finishing my concealer, I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro concealer in Cold Tan and the Super Stay foundation in color 355. Right now I'm going to be using this 2 angle brush. This is like a smaller angle brush and this is bigger. So this is from the Coastal scent brush. It's a 24 pieces brush, and This is the number 19 and this is the number 20. I'm going to be using the bigger angle brush first, and I'm going to be using the lighter shade, which is my concealer in coltan, and I'm going to be using this on my eyebrow bone. I only used my elegant concealer on my eyebrow bone. Go straight to your eyebrow bone and just try and conceal it. Like you're following the normal shape, the shapes you have drawn literally. You're just trying to correct it. As possible, so you're going to avoid mistakes. Just try to be still as possible. So next, I'm going to be using the other shade, which is my foundation, and I'm going to be concealing the inner corners and the outer corners with this color. Then I'm going to be concealing the outer corners of the brows. Like I said, guys, you're just following the normal shape that you have drawn already. So right now I'm going to be using the smaller angle brush. Still going to my foundation, I am going to be concealing this. So you see the way I place my hand, I'm just going to stand this brush above my head and just try and conceal. See the way I do my brows here, the way I just went straight while drawing my brows. That is what I'm doing here. I'm literally just going straight with this brush. You know, I left like some space before I drew my brows. I started concealing after that space I left. So literally I'm just trying to make my brush sideways. I'm just going to try and clean those foundation more. So I'm going to go back again to that foundation because I find I don't have like full dots on my brush. And now if you notice my brush is no longer like this because I might make mistake by maybe pushing the brush down and then it might affect the brow, so I'm just going to make it sideways. So we're almost done with the brows, and to me I actually feel this brows is bigger than this one, and that is why your brows cannot be twin, guys. You can just be brothers and sisters. Don't overdo things so you're not going to spoil what you have done already, you get. So I'm just going to go back to this brush and then try and mix the excess product I have on my spatula, and I'm just going to be putting this on my eyes. Right now I'll be going with this blending brush from the Big Techniques, and I'm going to be using this to blend. So guys, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this transparent gel. This is from Petals, and I'm going to be using my spoolie. This is from the Puppy Brown. I'm going to be adding a little bit of that like this, just a little. I'm going to be using this to brush my brows. Guys, you can use your eyebrow gel if you have one. This is like the cheapest eyebrow tutorial you can see online today, so I'm going to be doing. This is going to just give the brows like a more natural look. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side of the brows. So guys, this is like everything. It depends on what you want. You can leave your brows like this and just continue your makeup, or if you don't want to do any makeup, just clean those excess products you have on your face and just go to where you want to go to. But for me, I am going to be using my Revolution Golden Sugar 2 palette, and I'm just going to be using this golden shade over here, and I'm going to be applying this directly on my eyebrow bone, just like this. I just took my brow up. guys, this is like everything I have for my eyebrow tutorial. I really hope you learned one or two things from this. And honestly guys, this is like the cheapest eyebrow tutorial you see on YouTube today, because everything I used was literally not a big amount. Apart from this, other things were something very low price that you can purchase. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned one or two things from this. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button down below. If you haven't done that yet, give this video a thumb up. Please like, share, and leave a comment. Let me know what you'd love to see next, and let me know if you have any questions on this. I'll be very happy to reply and answer to all of that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying tuned to my YouTube channel. I love you all guys. Bye everybody.